that you confirm whether I'm reading it correctly, just for the sake of the Hansard of this House. In view of the matters and findings made herein above, it is clear that all the three thresholds for contempt of court have been proved by evidence and to the required standard. Consequently, I must cite the respondents for contempt for disobeying the order issued by MATIANG'I on 7th October 2022. Confirm that after that, the order says the county secretary, Mr. Rufus Miriti, is the head of the county public service, and he is the one who wrote the impugned compulsory leave letters. Therefore, he was the proper person to ensure that the court orders were complied with by ensuring that the applicants are allowed back to their offices and all their salaries were duly paid. Am I reading it correctly?
Correctly.
For completeness of record, confirm that the court is also referring to that your salaries be fully paid.
Reinstated and fully paid.
Yes, the court ruling is talking about to ensure that your salaries are duly paid.
Confirm.
Thank you. And therefore, it is not correct to say that your salaries were not paid pursuant to a court order. It is not correct.
It is not correct what you are saying.
Yes, if I said that your salaries were not paid pursuant to a court order, I will not be speaking the truth.
You would be lying.
I'll be lying. And therefore, when you told this Senate that your salaries were not paid pursuant to a court order, you equally were lying.
I am not lying.
The court order at paragraph 34, the court ruling at paragraph 34 identifies by name and office the person who was responsible or the proper person to ensure that those court orders were complied with. Does it?
Yes, it identifies.
Whose name is it?
The name is the person and the office, County Secretary Rufus.
Now, I want you to give me the name.
Rufus Miriti.
Rufus Miriti. The office is?
County Secretary.
County Secretary. That person is not facing impeachment before the Senate, is he?
Exactly.
Is that person facing impeachment in the Senate?
No.
Cross-examination. Whom did the court summon to attend court and purge the contempt?
The court invited the County Secretary.
By name?
Dr. Kiambi Atheru.
Dr. Kiambi?
Atheru.
Veru. Is that person before this Senate facing impeachment?
Not.
Let's go to page 438 of volume 2 of the County Assembly's documents. Page 438 in particular, paragraph 37B.
I'm there.
Is that the paragraph summoning Rufus Miriti or his successor in title?
Yes.
That title would be the title of County Secretary. True or not true?
True.
Is any of those people, either Rufus Miriti or his successor, before this Senate for impeachment?
No.
Did I hear you to say that the governor appeared in court?
You did. I didn't say that.
You didn't say that. I'm happy. I just want clarification. So if you didn't say that, I'm happy with it. Did I hear you to say that you got audience with the governor over your compulsory leave matter?
Yes, through the County Secretary, I said.
You got audience with the governor?
Through the County Secretary.
I want to get this right. The county has an officer called county governor.
Yes.
True or not true?
Yes, we did.
The county has another officer called county secretary. True or not true?
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
I'm asking the first officer, county governor. Did I hear you to say you got audience with that person?
We sought audience through the county secretary. I repeat.
Did you get it?
We didn't get
You didn't
the
get
audience
it.
of the governor directly.
So you never spoke to the governor over this matter directly?
Instead, we spoke to the county secretary.
So you never spoke directly to the county governor over this matter?
Yes.
In the course of the proceedings in MERU Employment and Labor Relations Court petition number 1 of 2022, you once filed an application to have Mr. Murega Baichu made a party to those proceedings. Do you remember that?
Yes, we did.
You filed to have Mr. Murega Baichu made a party because you believed he must be held personally responsible for his own actions or words.
Yes.
Before this Senate, you believe the governor is now the one to be held responsible for the words of Mr. Murega Baichu.
Yes, I believe.
I'm happy with that, and that is all in my cross-examination of this witness.
Counsel for the County Assembly, any re-examination?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, and it will be done by my colleague, Mr. Eric Muriuki.
Mr. Speaker, my name is Eric Muriuki, Advocate of the High Court. I shall be conducting the re-examination. Now, Mr. Paul Mwaki,
Yes, please.
you are referred to two orders. The first order is the order that is on page. There is the order that is dated 7th of October, 2022.
Yes, you referred me to that.
Have you seen that order?
I know it.
That is the order on page
460.
440 of volume 2. Is that order different from the order on page 402 of the governor's documents?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, they are different.
On page 402 of the governor's index of documents,
Yes.
I want you to tell me, at the top of that order, where does the story of payment of salaries come in?
It comes on item number 1.
What is the heading of where that is explained?
That it says that all the salaries have been paid.
No, what is the title?
The title is in open court via Teams on the 19th of October 2023 before the Honorable Justice Onesimus N. Macau.
Confirm that the issue of salaries. The ruling on page 416, or rather the order on page 416
And 15.
of volume 2, volume 2, the Assembly's documents.
416.
Yes, are you there?
I'm there.
Who are the petitioners or the claimants?
The petitioners are Joseph Beria, Paul Mwaki Aremi, Dr. John Toiti, Kenneth Kimathi Mbaye.
And which one are you among those ones?
I'm Paul Mwaki Aremi.
Thank you. I will then take you to still that order that is on page 416, where on that order does it talk about salaries? Does it talk about payment of your salary?
It doesn't talk about salaries, Mr. Speaker.
So the order that came out on, or that is dated 7th October 2022 does not talk about salaries.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
And let's go to the contempt of court ruling and order that is now coming in a year later. Let us go straight to the order. And that is on
Page 440.
yes, page 440. This order is coming in respect, this contempt of court order is coming in respect of which previous order?
It's coming in respect to the order of 7th October of 2022.
That is at paragraph 4. Thank you. The order on page 440, you're still there,
Yes.
at paragraph 5. Can you read the first line?
That the respondent be cited for contempt of court and be committed to a civil jail for a term of 6 months until they purge the contempt and comply with the orders of this honorable court issued on the 7th of October, the year 2022.
Can you confirm that it refers to the respondents, plural?
Yes, I do.
And who are the respondents on that order, as you can see it?
County Secretary, County Government of MERU, MERU County Public Service Board, and the Governor, County Government of MERU.
So you confirm that there is a conviction against the governor, County Government of MERU, based on that order?
I do.
I will again take you to the ruling, page 437 of volume 2.
Yes, I'm there.
437 of volume 2.
Yes, please.
At the bottom, the sentence that is starting with however. Can you please read and then read on the next page?
However, before passing sentence against the respondents are invited to attend this court through the County Secretary, Mr. Rufus Miriti, or his successor in title to show cause why the court should not punish them for disobeying the court orders issued on 7th of October, 2022.
So it is your testimony that the respondents are invited through the county secretary, or rather the county secretary is invited on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes, I confirm that.
And on paragraph 37, subparagraph A, that is on page 438 still.
Yes.
Does it say, what does it say, paragraph A, just the first sentence?
That the respondents are hereby cited for contempt of this court. This court's orders issued on 7th October 2022 by failing to allow the applicants back to their offices.
Thank you. So you will confirm that this ruling, these orders issued by the court through and through refers to all the respondents in that application for contempt of court.
Yes, I confirm.
Thank you, Mr.